pagpasok ni Christina, tignan mo ha.
Favorite niya talaga yan.
Alam mo po, Christina, bakla! Yan ang babaeng bakla!
Aray!
Ito naman, Kaya ang puro-pros.
Ang sexy ni Mommy!
Ang hot mama, no? Christina is so funny.
Parang may mukha lang. Alam mo, ang bouncy na
Christina, look at your knees! Look at your knees! Relax! Accent. Christina lang yan. Christina, look at your knees! Look at your knees! Reactions.
Papandango.
Pause.
Pandango.
Okay naman po yung ano. Based on...
Oh, don't be polite. Yung totoo.
Playing safe.
Medyo may isa lang na ano, nawala sa
Sino?
case.
Sorry.
Christian.
Hot.
Kata ba itong maliit na ito? Kung ano, pag nanasa naman itong umiral sa'yo eh.
High school pa rin, direk eh.
The delegate from Camarines Sur. Oh.
Ano sir, parang hindi sila sigurado sa mga galaw nila, saka wala silang connection sa isa't isa. Kumaga may sarili-sarili silang mundo.
Ay, oo nga, no?
Ang galing naman ni Bugoy. Walang interaction. Actually, ang pinakaming interaction, si Lisel at si Larnie nagko-connect. Si Mami, wala siyang pakialam. Basta,
Nakalimutan ko po.
nakalimutan niya, may mga kasama siya. Hindi naman lang backup yung tatlo sa likod.
Hindi.
At Christina, may sarili kang daigdig. Alam mo, Christina, ito ako. I don't see problems with that with Bunny. I don't see problems with that with Larnie and even with Lisel. Sa'yo ako may problem sa awkwardness in stage movement. I don't understand, you're a sexy girl, but the moment you go on stage, you cannot be sexy. You go campy. Naku, tigil yung gaganyan-ganyan buhok, ha?
Nagganito pa.
Hindi ka nag-Elena sa Santa Cruz ng mga bakla. Okay? Una-una, yung also have to be careful, naka-boots ka, gagalaw kang ganun, magko-close open yung news mo. Oo, I mean, Christina, yung sensualidad. Okay? At saka, wala yung functioning as a unit. But you see individual characters. I could see Laarni's character. I could see Lisel's mutya ng Pasig character. Okay? And of course, Hot Mama. Okay? And of course, there is Christina. Pero, it did not gel because, okay, vocally, in a scale of 1 to 10, ang blending nyo would be a 5.2.
Oh my God. Ay, God, masa. Masang awa. 5.2.
Okay? But as a unit, I don't see the kabuuan. Okay? Gets nyo? So, pag trio ninyo sa Saturday, kailangan buo yun. Okay, who's next? O, yung trio. Mag-rehearse muna kayo with Mr. Music. Do you be careful, anak? No, you really be careful.
Okay, sir.
Yung vocals nila, okay, sige. Huwag muna kayo mag-choreo yung vocals na kasi mapapagod na kayo kung ano kayo mag-ano. You have to be careful, Christina, kasi I notice that also with bleeding.
Hey, girl. Ang galing na. Pagod na tingin.
Focus ka.
Wala na pong epox eh, kanina.
No, darling. You know, I was telling Christian, you're so sexy. As it was your legs, so I'm going to make sure that those legs are out on stage every week.